Hello everybody, today is January 8. Today we introduce your automatic KF94 fish shape mask packing machine. This machine is the automatic for age sealing packing machine. We can check the finish sample. Automatically for size, age sealing, and the hole punching, both the side hole punching. Okay, we can check the machine detail from the back to the head. For this machine, total have six hole, 6 parts to put the mask. It is this 3 stock is used to vacuum, and this 3 is to replace for the label to put the mask on in it. So it is to save the put the mask on the stock time, and it can automatically feeding the mask to the plate. You can see how total 3 layers for the mask running to the head, and the machine speed is 135 pieces in 1 minute. Okay, we can see here. This is the four side edge sealing. When the mask into the bag, okay, we can check. This is the hot healing part. The temperature can be 150 degrees, and this part this cycling is for the hole punching for the middle hole and the side hole, and you can see this for braidage cut. To cut the long side, and this braid is go to cut three back together. And this is touch screen. The touch screen we have 3 kind of language: Chinese, English, and Korean. And this is